Good morning. This is Sunday morning. I've literally just done a post on TikTok. I'm going to show you what this post is. So it's the fourth one down. So it's the one on the left here. So this has just generated over 488 views on it. Really cool. I found that this is a really good method. As I said, I went on to the app and I was downloading some pictures to tell a story. And then, you know, once you go to your pictures, you'll see all the pictures here. And then after that, you upload them to TikTok and then create like a story behind something. So as you can see, the top three have got the highest results so far, but some of these pictures have hit over 1,000, 1,500, 700, 2,004 here. So some have not done so well, some have done really well. But as I said, this is a really good program to get into. As you can see, someone else is liking the actual picture. So this is going up to 490 as we're doing this video. Since a couple of days ago, I've done a video to show you guys exactly what I was doing. I had 28 followers. Now 128 followers to 172. The Faceless Flipping is doing really well. I went in at a $27 level. There is other levels in there, and there is guaranteed sales with diamond level. Okay, so I'm only testing this one out for a few more weeks before I head up to diamond, and they've got a really good deal on it. So if this interests you, if you want to be able to start building your TikTok audience and then TikTok shop, so then you can start earning money with TikTok, then I'm going to drop the link down below this video, and then you can come and visit the actual page where you can see exactly what I'm doing. And if it interests you, then by all means, come on board. But don't feel pressured to. If you don't want to join, then that's fine. You can just leave it on the table and continue with your life as you're doing. And, you know, you can still follow me if you want to still follow me. But if you do want to do something and start generating an income, then all you got to do is just click on the link below this video and take the first step, okay? And I'll help you along the way. I'll be your support. So on that note, guys, thank you for watching this, and I hope this helps.
Dave here again from the UK. Big shout out to Paul Lynch. Just want to drop another testimonial in. I've just passed the 10,000 follower mark on TikTok. Now previously, no TikTok experience, no TikTok on my phone or anything. I was a complete beginner when I started this. I've been doing Paul's training now for just over 4 weeks. 90 seconds a day, that's all it takes. 90 seconds a day. My following's up to 10,400 now, and it's growing daily. I've never seen a viral effect like this before in my life. So hitting the 10,000 qualifies me for the creativity program on TikTok, which allows me to earn $1 for every 1,000 views on my videos. Now, to say some of my videos are getting over 250,000 views is an understatement. You know, it's absolutely fantastic.
Hey Paul, I wanted to shoot you this testimonial over. I went from 100,000 views on day 6 to over 1 million views on day 12, and here it is. Today is the 16th. This is day 14 for me, and it's morning here, so the day's just starting. So on day 12 I was 1,067,000, and here day 14, 1,233,885 views. So that's nearly 200,000 views in just the last 2 days. And like I said, today is, for where I'm at, it's morning. So my day is just starting. So I just wanted to shoot this testimonial over for you. And thanks, Paul. Thanks for this program. Take care, buddy.
Hi, this is Eugene here from the UK. I just want to do a quick testimonial for Paul's Faceless Flipping course. I've been a member for about a month now, and the results are truly incredible. Amazing. I'm approaching 10,000 followers in a month. And one of my posts has got 1.3 million views, with another one approaching 1 million views, and lots of others with hundreds of thousands of views. Absolutely amazing. Never seen anything like it. And this is all from a brand new account with zero experience. I'm now excited to become a VIP member of this program so I can discover lots of different niches that will blow up big time. Absolutely amazing. I can't wait for it. Thanks a lot, Paul.